Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Ayub Bato, NIM number 245531030. Here I will present about Friest force. What is Friest? Friest is a force that occurs when two surfaces touch each other and inhibits the movement of one surface relative to the other. The direction of friction relative to motion always option to the direction of motion of tendency to move. Example, if the block is pushed to the ring, the friction force acts to the left. General properties of friction. One occurs to a surface roughness. 2. The direction of the friction force is opposite to the motion. 3. The magnitude is influenced by the normal force and the conflicts of friction. Static and kinetic friction. Static friction force. Static friction is the friction between two solid objects that are not moving relative to each other. Formula: the friction force equals mu subs multiplied by the normal force. 2. Kinetic friction force. Kinetic or dynamic friction occurs when two objects move relative to each other and rub against each other. Formula: the friction force equals mu subs multiplied by the normal force. Tools for the experiment: 1 wooden block, 2 rope, 3 stopwatch, roller, weights with variance of mass, table, small pulleys, spring, balance, digital scale. Experimental procedures: 1. Scale the wooden block mass with the digital scale. Put the block on the table that has been prepared. 3. To measure static friction, pull the block slowly with the spring balance till the block precision moves the take note of the maximum pull force. 4. Take the data and calculate the static coefficient with the equation that has been provided. 5. Make a graphic between the pull force and the force tricycle. 6. Scale the wooden block mass with the digital scale. 7. Put the block on the table that has been prepared. To measure kinetic friction, pull the block with a constant speed and use the spring balance to find the pull force. 9. Take the data and calculate the kinetic coefficient with the equation that has been provided. 10. Make a graphic between the pull force and the force resistance. This is data collection. Experiment 1. Determine the coefficient of static friction. Surface type: block massa G 196, pulling force N 235.2, static friction coefficient 1.2. Block massa 425, pulling force 1.190, static friction coefficient 2.8. Woodward block massa 326, pulling force 508, static friction coefficient 1.8. For Robert Wood average 1.8. Block massa 195, pulling force 295, static friction coefficient 321.1. Block massa Robert Wood 326, pulling force 652, static friction coefficient 2. Block massa for Robert Wood 425, pulling force 1317, static friction coefficient 3.1. And this is experiment to determine the kinetic force coefficient. We can see conclusion. The experiment successful proved the basic characteristic of friction, namely the static friction is greater than kinetic friction, and its coefficient can be calculated through simple mass measurement using basic mechanical tools. Thank you.